There you are.
Oh, hey.
You didn't see me. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. "24 hours hot coffee." Oh, really?
I'd rather have the IHOP one. What was that? $8?
I thought it was better than IHOP. Maybe it's because it brings back the old days when I was young and a teenager and I was eating at Old South. Boy, those days were great. There's the haunted bridge. That's the haunted bridge I was talking about. Right there. I feel that's haunted. Oh shit, Bluetooth kicks in. Turn that off right there. That should work just fine. Alright. Here we go. Look at that. This is the Ghost Bridge.
Green light, baby. Green light project, baby.